please take a moment to visit inspirechildrenandyouth.org. This is an organization in South Africa run by a very good friend of mine, Ingrid, and it's an organization that works with people in rural areas to create safe spaces for children and young people to thrive. They provide food, shelter, and a range of activities and projects to help restore human dignity on rural farms. And they can't do it without your help. So again, please go to inspirechildrenandyouth.org and contribute if you can. Thank you and have a nice day. Okay, so we're smack in the middle of the log jack project. We're letting this dry until tomorrow. But I mentioned earlier at the start of this how I had this list of about 27 projects or more. And there's more than that too, but just out of these I'm going to start with it. Well, log jack, we can cross that one off the list. And the reason is I wanted this done so I can use it. But the rest of these things, a lot of them are, for the most part, maybe something I'd like to do, some maybe I don't want to do right now. But stuff, it's stuff that's lying around the workshop and I need to get it out of here. I don't know how I'm going to do this in the past. I don't know how I'm going to do this in the past. I don't know how I'm going to do this in the future exactly, but there's some things that I'm going to fix up, refurbish, restore, modify, make, build, whatever, and I don't really want it. I don't want to keep it. I just want to do it as a project and then get rid of it. So if you go to the website, communityfromwithin.com, which is where my podcast and blog and everything are located, there should be a page on there soon for items for sale through the Abpd YouTube channel. So what I'll do is I'll probably create, if you're watching this from afar, I don't think I'm going to get into shipping it, big items, maybe small things, we'll see. But most likely I'll put this on a local, we have something here called Kijiji, Kijiji. It's sort of like the, Canadian version of Craigslist. I think there is a Craigslist in Canada, but around here anyway, most people, they want to sell something online, they use Kijiji, especially in the rural areas. And so I'll probably create Kijiji ads for certain items, put them on, and if there's something for sale, I'll put it on the communityfromwithin.com site with a link for items for sale from Abpd, Asset-Based Project Development, which may be some of these items here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write these out, cut them off into little bits, put them in this box, and right now I will draw what the very next video will be, next project. And when I say that, bear in mind, I did some videos in 2020, last year, and a couple not too long ago. And I have a lot of raw video that's not edited, so you might see other projects besides what I pull out of the hat at some point once I get to edit it and upload it. But anyway, for now, let's do this. I got an idea. I'll put on the welding helmet. And I'll close the shield like this so I can't see when I'm picking out welding shield. So I pick here. And I'm going to try and do this so you can see me the whole time. Not that it really matters, but it's fun. Who cares? Okay, ready? Mixing up the box. This is the next project after it. The log jack is finished. Right. What is it going to be? Show you first. What does it say? It's an easy one, hopefully. Rusty Pliers. Rusty Pliers, okay. Literally just an old set of pliers I found, I think in the woodshed a long time ago, and like they can't bite. See a little bit, so we're gonna refurbish these and get them working like brand new. Oh, maybe not. The cutter part is rusted out, so I don't know if that would ever cut a wire again. I wonder if we could fix that. So there you have it. The last video I did, which was the log jack, was quite long. So I'm glad that well, I'm happy for two reasons that the Rusty Pliers came out as the first thing I picked out of the box, because I wasn't, I mean, it's fine, just I wasn't so enthusiastic about this project, but I'm glad it's done. Obviously this is, you know, I'm not restoring this to brand new condition. I'm not doing this one to sell. It's not, you know, you wouldn't find this in a store somewhere, the finish I have on it. I basically painted it just so it wouldn't rust over right away. But the main thing is it's not rusty anymore. See, it's usable. It's a usable tool. That's what I wanted out of this. Except for the cutting edge is when you put that together, it doesn't come together anymore. It was so rusted and broken in there. I thought about trying to, you know, come up with a way to restore that. Maybe welding some steel on the outer edge and cutting a new blade, but then you'd have this big bulky, you know, edge to the side of the pliers. We have some workable pliers here that I can put in the toolbox, and that's it. Quick and easy for that one. So thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed it, and I'll pick something out of the hat for next project. See you again.